Today I want to give you a review on these hood props that are made by TSUBASA. It doesn't really matter what brand you get. These are all, you get this from Alibaba. They all use the same molds. They kind of slap their own sticker on it. This is going to actually be a bad review. I had them on my truck earlier, but I took them off because I did not like them. I got these for free from the manufacturers. I kind of hate to be making this video, but you know what? It is what it is. So these are the carbon fiber ones. They don't really adjust. It has a little screw hole here so you can unscrew. You get the mounts. Basically, I'll tell you why I don't like it once I put this down. So this is kind of how it sets up. So you have one screw, which is nice because you don't have to move. The hood latch is a 13 millimeter. This goes here, and then this side actually comes to the fenders, which I think are a little on the brittle side. I wasn't a huge fan of it. So this actually goes under. Sorry, let me actually focus on what I'm looking at. So this will go, I'm recording this with one hand, so this is what it's going to look like. So they want you to do it like this. You strap the fender and you use their extra screw to put it like that. And then if you look, it falls. This is the current headset. You're going to lose about that much space. Your hood's going to open about 3 inches, not as high, and you will no longer be using the good old rod on the hood. So I didn't like that. One, I felt this was really flimsy to hold the whole hood. This just little one. The other ones come with both and actually have a little metal support and support with the rod. This is really flimsy. I've already seen a video where someone said this already snapped because look how much stress it's going to put on the angle of this. It's like sideways, like, see what I'm saying? It's not a straight up. So when you do it over here, look at the angle on this. It's not straight. So like the angle would be there to, you know, put the weight down. This is like at a sideways angle. That's why other people are mounting it here, like at this spot, and giving it more of a straight line so it would be less stress on the shocks. This design is just not good. It's just not a good design. This bracket's probably fine if they were to like push it out or like move it so it would line up, or they use better shocks. These are really crappy made shocks. And I'm not just saying that. Let me show you. So I'll kind of like, if you like touch them, they're very flimsy. They're just, that's what I was saying with the shocks. Like, look, I don't know if you can hear the noise. They're just like very flimsy shocks. Like they make like, hear that? They're very flimsy, and I don't like the angle of the kit. So I had them installed, and I didn't like how I wasn't able to open my hood all the way because I'm a tall guy. I'm 6 foot tall. My head barely touches the hood now, and then without that, it puts it, like, I guess if you're a short person, it's not a huge deal, but it puts the hood about the size of my forehead where my forehead's at. So for me, that doesn't make sense for me. So it does not work for me. So I went ahead and already uninstalled them. They're easy enough to take off, and I will not be installing these on my car. So I recommend if you come across these, I would not buy them. I don't think they're a good design. The directions are absolutely atrocious. Not that you can't go online and install them how they want, but I've also seen other people installing them differently. Like I saw one guy, to make it not as bad, he actually moved his where I think he put, instead of doing that, he put like this up here to give himself like an extra inch. My shot is messing up. So he used this screw and moved it. And again, you could move it even here to make the hood open further up, which you could do, but then I don't think this is the best point, because if you look at this, this is like a really thin piece of the fender, and there's really no body under this. Like this is actually attached because it's part of the fenders. It is like a tie down. There's metal right under it, but this does not. So you either want to attach to this piece and brace it. I wouldn't want to attach to this because there's a little gap here. The odds of you damaging your car are high. So again, just be careful with these ones. This model, I don't think the design's very good. The shocks are not well maintained or well made, and I would avoid them.